has dropped the latest version of iOS 26.4, and it's packed with new features. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Apple's bringing one of the most demanding features in Apple Music, the AI-powered Playlist Playground that lets iPhone users generate a custom 25-song playlist from a text prompt using Apple Intelligence. It'll also change the user interface of Apple Music to show full-screen artwork for albums and playlists. Users can also discover live shows from their favorite artists by a new feature called Concerts Near You. You can easily filter this section by date and genre or locations if you're traveling somewhere. Podcast app is also getting a makeover. Now switching between audio and video episodes is easier than ever. Creators can publish video podcasts using HTTP live streaming, and listeners can smoothly switch between audio and video playback within the same episode and even put it on a full horizontal display. Messaging had significant upgrades too. Encrypted Rich Communication Services will begin testing in iOS 26.4, making sure the conversations between iPhone users and Android users are just as secure as iMessage. Apple's unveiled some security improvements as well, like if your iPhone's stolen, then there's a new feature called Stolen Device Protection, which gets enabled by default and adds biometric authentication for sensitive actions, such as accessing saved passwords or making account changes. Reminders app gets a new urgent section to gather high-priority tasks at one place and send more prominent alerts when deadlines are near. Looks like the new update's making sure every app gets something new. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.